Now, former Director of Marketing and Development at the JFF, Sophia Harris, says she's looking forward to assisting the organization. Harris left the JFF in December 2019 after spending 2.5 years with the Federation. Through Law Global Consultancy, Harris will be assisting the Reggae Boys to try and monetize their assets throughout the World Cup qualifiers. But Harris says her assistance will stretch beyond the senior men's national team.
But to also help with the transition so that if they do hire a new manager and officer, they have the guidance of LGC with my expertise, experience, and allow for a smooth transition moving forward to build on the legacy that I left there, the legacy that we worked together as a team to accomplish before my departure, to build on and grow the digital platform, the commercialization assets, the merchandising, which based on what I'm seeing, has remained either stagnant or experienced some decline.
Harris, who pointed out she's not rejoining the Federation, also highlighted other support which she'll provide to the JFF.
Should they bring someone else on full-time, which they will have to, I will guide and supervise that person. Because what I've noticed is that at the end of the day, the JFF has budgetary restraints. And therefore, they're not going to be in the position to hire someone of my qualifications and expertise and experience full-time. So whoever they bring in, as we have seen evidenced by the last 2 persons that were brought in, as good as they were not qualified for this level of marketing and business development that is required to negotiate international deals and build up a national program that is 14 teams.